Today at MCC Motorsports we are doing a big brake conversion on a 2007 Porsche Cayman. We will be using a two-piece rotor and some Hawk HPS pads. It's going to be located right here. You're going to be pulling that out, and then you're going to push this pin out, which will release the brake pads. So it's pretty easy. You just kind of grab it and pull it out. Parts, you're going to have to reuse them at the end. Okay, one of the things you're going to want to do is you're going to punch this pin out right here. Just take a punch and just give it a couple good taps. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to compress your pistons inside the calipers. What I usually do is just take a cloth so you don't scratch your caliper, kind of grab the top of your brake pad and squeeze. And it'll push the brake pad and pistons in evenly, and then you can see the pads just slide right out. You're going to have to loosen these little screws right here, and they're just Phillips heads. And once you loosen them, they should be a little bit pretty easy to remove. Once you loosen them, you just unscrew them. These are meant to help you set the rotor. And once you remove these screws, your rotor will be loose off the hub and much easier to work with. Now, as you notice on these pads, they have brake sensors right there. You're going to pull those out without breaking them. If you break them, you're going to want to have to replace them. Now, here's the sensor, and you can pry it out with the little screwdriver. There's two little tabs there. This one I've already pried out, but you'll see these two little tabs right here. You want to push those in to get the sensor out of the pad. And the way it sits right inside the pad, so when the pad gets worn down to the sensor, then your indicator light on your dashboard is going to come on. So on the back here you can see there's two little tabs. Now right now, as you can see, there's no pads in the caliper. Right now, if you were just replacing your pads, you could just slide them back in, put your sensors in, put the spring in the pin, and you'll be done. But since we're doing a big brake upgrade, I need to remove the caliper from the knuckle. Okay, in order to remove your caliper, you're going to want to undo these two screws right here, or bolts. We use 8mm Allen, like this. Easy now to take your rotor off. Pull that right off there. Put that to the side. And we can test fit our new two-piece rotor. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Okay, so here we have our rotor. What we're going to do is we're going to take some degreaser, generally some brake cleaner, and just wipe off any of the shipping grease and grime that they have on it for shipping, so it doesn't rust in the package. Okay, so now we have the rotor on. What you need to do is you need to use these screws that you saved from taking the stock rotor off, and then you're just going to use these to set the rotor into the hub, which makes it a lot easier. Okay, for this particular big brake kit, we need to mill out right here on the caliper and right here on the caliper. I just use a simple Dremel, give it enough clearance for the bigger rotor, and then we'll be able to mount this caliper to this bigger rotor. So now what we're going to do is we're going to install the pads into the caliper. You want to install the brake sensor, which is right there, and you're going to want to insert it into the pad, just like that. And you're going to make sure that they're seated really well, and you hear a firm click. So this this is what it should look like when you're totally done. Get the pads installed and the rotor installed.